Hey y'all, it's Kenny again, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, we're going to work on outside leg hang, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can get into it. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so your first option to get into your outside leg hang, especially if you're a beginner, is from the floor. Okay, all the way down to the floor. So what's going to happen, you're going to slide down, of course, because we got to get to the floor. You want to think about being in your bicep grip. So your armpit in the pole. If it's not completely in the pole, that's fine. But we're gonna make it work just for purposes. From here, your hands are grabbing the pole, both thumbs are up. You're going to bring your legs up and a pike open to a V. From here, you're gonna push your hips up as high as you can. Hook your outside leg that's away from the pole. And then your inside leg is gonna drop behind and you're gonna squeeze. You're gonna breathe, breathe, breathe. Inside leg comes to your face. Outside leg unhooks, comes to your face. Hips are still up. And then slowly bring it down. One more time. You're gonna make sure your inside leg is pressing down. Your outside leg, your toes are pointing down as well, okay? You don't want your leg to be loose or extended. You want to squeeze at that knee pit. So if you got the hang of that one, your next step is to be a little bit higher. You're still relatively close to the floor, but not high enough where you feel, oh my God, Kenny, this is super scary. So what's gonna happen, you're going to hook your knee, standing. If you wanna get a little closer to the floor, you could put one hand, your outside hand onto the floor. Your inside leg is gonna slide behind. Okay. You're gonna bring both knees in to your chest. Top knee is still squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. Maybe slide into your bottom armpit. So you should be in a little ball. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Inside leg goes back. Breathe. Notice how I'm still squeezing my top knee on the pole. And then if you're like, oh, I'm too high, slowly slide down because you're already on the floor. So again, a little bit closer to the floor, hooking our inside knee. Outside hand comes to the floor, bringing our inside leg behind, squeezing into this little ball. Top hand has to slide down. You don't want it too high because you want to go for your ball. Squeeze, 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 breathe. If you're not comfortable releasing the top hand as of yet, what's gonna happen, your inside hand is gonna come in between your legs and you're just gonna bring that inside leg back. Breathe, breathe, breathe. But you wanna try to get your back close to the pole, okay? So the back of your shoulder is touching the pole. And then from here, slide it down. Whoo! All right. You can do this same step a little bit higher in the air. So let's say you side climb up. Bring that inside knee behind, slide it all the way down. Going for our inside leg hang, chopper, and bring it down. if you don't want to invert. That's the I love that. I love that option because you don't have to go upside down to do it. You just slide down into it. You don't have to lift your legs up over your head. I don't want to say it's less work, but it's working smarter and not harder. Last but not least, chopper into outside leg hang. So you have to be comfortable in your V or your chopper. So for this, you're in your bicep grip. Okay, squeezing, legs come up. Same thing from the floor. Hips have to come high. You don't want your hips too low. High, high, high. Pike, squeeze, and kind of slide your hands down out the way. And when you're ready to release, inside leg comes to your face, outside leg comes to your face, and bring it down. So I hope these tips were helpful. Let me know, and see you next time. Bye.